This 1987 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is a running and driving car with 97,000 miles. It does have some cosmetic needs. There's some fading of the paint in a few areas and some rust spots as well. But it's all there. It's an original car. They're becoming more and more collectible as time goes on. And it's a good affordable classic. It's mechanically sound, it runs and drives. We can start it up here. Engine sounds good, runs strong, pretty smooth, no smoke, no strange noises. The car has a lot of potential. It's a good old car.